Hello everyone. Welcome to my tutorial. This is our third tutorial in the series of Adobe Illustrator Complete course. In my previous video we learned use of direct selection tool and how we can create more shapes from editing them, and we also colorize them. In this chapter we will learn the most important and demanding tool of graphic designing, pen tool. Here we have a pen tool. Just click and start working, click start point, and then next point, hold the click and drag it for smooth line. This line will continuously following your mouse, until you press escape key or click with holding control key on empty place. If you click by mistake, and want to continue, so pick pen tool again. And click on anchor point from where you want to start again. And you can continue. Until you click from where you start for complete the path drawing. Select this path and delete it. Now as you saw on the video thumbnail, the most simple and effective way to learn pen tool. I also learned pen tool from this guideline. So it will also help you a lot for learning pen tool. Go to the text tool, click here, and type S. Select it and scale it. Now go to object menu, and select lock, and then click on selection. It will lock my selected item. This is because I don't want to move it. Now it's locked, so it will not move or delete from here. We will use two ways to draw object from pen tool. Let's do it. Select pen tool and click on the edge of S. But remember, whenever you are going to redraw of any object, always work on zoom preview, so make it zoom first. Click the first and move to the next point. Now notice the first 2 points are in straight corners, so I just click. But later we have a smooth line, so we click and hold mouse, it will show the smooth line. And remember one more thing, always decide the next step before clicking. If I click here, so it will create a smooth line, but after this I also have to move smooth line on this direction. So when I click, so I will move mouse to this direction where I have to go next. After releasing the mouse click, you can adjust your curve by holding Alt key and move this handle, just like we edit oval shape and made a mango in our previous chapter. Now see, my next line is coming exactly on that way where I had mentioned to go by dragging mouse when I was create previous point. Hold the spacebar key for walk around in your document. There is a disturbance, I can't see my object, it's covered by fill. So always remember, when you are redrawing, put the fill none of your pen tool and just active outline. And make stroke width 0.25 point from here. Now let's continue. Hold Alt key and adjust it. Continue this process by adjusting curves. And don't worry if they are not perfect. Now here we have a straight corner, so we don't need to click and drag. This time we just click and release the mouse button, and adjust only the previous curve. One more straight corner and then again smooth curve with adjust handles by holding Alt key. Keep going. Keep going. Now again straight corner and also an endpoint, so just click and close the path. Zoom out, here we have our drawing. Move it and make a close look. If found some problems, adjust them with same holding Alt key. And move them for smooth position. Here's some more for few adjustments. Look carefully if there is any other remain. All done, now looks perfect. Okay, that's it. Go to Object, unlock all and delete. Now the second way to redraw the object. Pick the text tool, let's type B here. Scale it. Go to object menu, select lock and then selection to lock it. None the fill color, and make stroke of 0.25 point of pen tool. Click here and here. Now notice I have curved lines, but I am just creating straight corner points. Now just select anchor points and convert them to smooth, and then adjust them by holding Alt key. Remember, always use Alt key if you use Control key, so it will move both the sides, and Alt key move only one side. It is also very easy and comfortable method for redrawing. You just have to get idea where is a good position for your anchor point, and then adjust it by his handle. Here we have the outer part of B. Now the inside part, same process here again. You can practice both method and see on which you are comfortable. Here we have. Fill it with red color. We can't see inside object, so go to the view, select outline. It will show you only outline of the whole document. Select your object, fill it, and switch to preview again for normal view. Let's create some drawings. If you remember, Ctrl R key for ruler. Press it and drag a guide from here. If you found nothing, so go to the view menu, click guides and select show guides. By default, guides are lock. So right click and unlock guides. Delete one and then again lock the guide. Now start drawing, click on guide and make a smooth curve and don't complete it. Whenever you are going to draw equal sides object like heart, so only create one side of heart and leave it. Next command will help you for complete it perfectly. Apply stroke color. After stroke, go to object menu, click transform and then transform each. Here we have a dialog box, put the preview on. On the right side there are three options: reflect X, reflect Y and random. Select reflect X and hit copy instead of OK. So it will make a copy with reflect. Now move it. Press Ctrl Y for outline view. Place them close and always remember smart guides on. Now these are close to each other but not one object. If I make them a group and apply fill color, so it will look like this. So to make it one object, select this two anchor points and go to object menu, select path and then select join. Now both anchor points are merged. Come to bottom part of heart. Select these two anchor points and this time I will select average for come close to each other. Here we have a dialog box. We have three options: horizontal, vertical and both. It means that this command will calculate difference between these 2 points and find an average value of these two and place them on that average value. For making this heart shape complete, we will go to both. Here we have a heart shape, but it's still not one line, there are 2 lines. This time we will select them for join, right click and join, or go to object menu, select path and then join. Now it's 1 anchor points. Create some more stuff. Hide guide. Create a copy of this and fill it with dark color. I don't want this dark color on top, so select it, go to object menu, click arrange and select send to back, it will go back. None the strokes. Now move it slightly. Select this and move it. So here we have a nice 3D look heart shape. That's all for now. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, hit the like button, share it and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.